Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Today, we are going to see our first lesson, my computer system. Okay, my computer system. The computer system book back question answers, because in our last video we have seen the lesson. Okay, I've explained about this lesson, what is computer, and we saw many diagrams of many parts of computer we have seen, and then we saw the process, how the computer process, like I showed you some example for three ways processing: input, process, output, input, process, output. We saw many example for that, like milkshake, mango milkshake we saw, and then washing machine, and then computer diagrams and all we saw. And we also saw input devices, various input devices, like what and all the devices are there: keyboard, mouse, and a touch screen, touchpad, light pen, and joystick, microphones and all we saw. What are all the input devices are there, we saw all those. Okay, um, after the book back exercises, today we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, in this lesson we are going to see the continuation of book back exercises. First, there's going to be choose the correct. Okay, now you can see these three pictures. Which of the following is an input device? You have to select the input device. Which one is the input device? First one is monitor. Second one is touchpad. It is there in the laptop. And the third one is CPU. Can you tell me which one is a input device? Of course, touchpad is the input device. The middle one, second one, touchpad is the input device. Okay, you have to select touchpad. Next, which of the following is not an output device? Which of the following is not an output device? If you take monitor, it shows a result. Whatever question you ask, it gives answer in front of you. So it is an output device only. If you take the third one, printer, it also shows you the answer in the paper. Okay, so it is also the output device. But in the here I have given speaker. If you take speaker also, it shows it produce sound. The whatever the song you want to play, that song it plays. Okay, speaker also. And the middle one, if you take scanner, this is input device, because the picture you have to insert to take scan. Okay, so it is a input device only. Okay, so here the answer is scanner. Next, which of the following prints big banner and maps? Big banner and maps. A4 sheet kind of we write test and all, no paper, that is A4 size sheet. Okay, but if you see the big banners and all in roadside, okay, those are all also printed papers, kind of thing only. Separate machines are there to print those banners. So those are called plotters. Those are called plotters. Okay. So which of the following prints big banners and maps? Now you can tell me, what is that? First one is printer, that will not do that work. And the second one is scanner, that will also not do that work. Then the third one is a plotter. Last one is a plotter. Only with a plotter we will be able to print big banners and maps. Next, which of the following controls the working of a computer? Okay, working of the computer. If we want to control the computer, okay, if we want to control the computer, we should have software. Only software gives instruction to the hardware to control. Okay, so definitely the second one, software, is the answer. You have there are three options here: hardware, software, monitor. In this we have to select software. Okay, software. Next, which of the following is an application software? Which of the following is an application software? The first one is plotter, that is used to take print of in bigger size. And the second one is wordpad, that is you have to type in whatever you want to take print out, you have to type in first. Then the Windows 7 picture, that is operating system. That is not, that is a kind of software, but that is not actually, that is a operating system. Okay, but in these three, which is the right answer? The second one is the right answer. Wordpad is the right answer. Okay, it is an application software. Microsoft Wordpad, it is known as Microsoft MS Office Wordpad. Okay, next, now you are going to guess the name. Guess the name of some peripherals of computer. Okay, okay, first question. You touch me with your finger to give instruction. It is asking you, you touch me with a finger, means which peripheral we used to touch with a finger? You should guess that. Okay, yes, it is a keyboard. Only keyboard we touch with our fingers, we give instruction 2 plus 3. Then you have to, if you want to know the answer for 2 plus 3, you should type 2, then you should type plus, then you should type 3, then you should type equals. Then the monitor will give you the answer. Okay, so keyboard is the right answer. Next, next question. I am used to draw directly on the screen. Okay, directly on the screen itself you will be able to draw. Who is that? Who is that? Yes, you're right. Paint. Okay, paint, brush and all, directly on the screen. If you go to paint application, there will be a paint brush option. With that brush, directly on the screen you can draw. Okay, the picture what you are seeing is drawn in paintbrush only. Okay, next, I process the data and instruction given to the computer. I process means the processor is telling you. Okay, what is that processor we have in computer? Okay, this is the processor model what I am showing you. This is inside processor. Okay, now what is that actually? What is that actually? It is the CPU. It is a CPU. Inside CPU there will be a processor, and only this system process whatever the input we give. Okay, next question. I am the best quality printer. My name is quality printer, first class printer. Okay, I taught you like 2 or 3 printer models, out of which which one is the best quality printer? Laser printer is the best quality printer. Okay, means it will produce more than 50 pages in a minute. Okay, more than 50 pages in a minute at a time. Okay, so laser printer is the right option. Then I print design of buildings and cars. I am the, okay, I print design, it prints designs of a buildings and cars. What is that? that is a flat bed plotter. Flat bed plotter. Okay, only this printer gives the printout of designs of building and other machine, not only cars, any machine it gives designs. Okay, so the right answer is flat bed plotter. Okay, flat bed plotter, it gives design printing. Okay, next, now it's time for the question and answer. Okay, now it's time for the question and answer. Now, what is hardware? Give two examples. What is hardware? Give two example. Hardware refers to all those parts of computer. All those parts, whatever and all the parts of computer are there, whatever the pictures you see here, like CPU, speaker, printer, mouse, keyboard, all are parts of computer. These are all hardware only. Okay, that can be touched. Yes, you can touch. No, you can touch all these five. Okay, that can be touched or can be connected to it a computer. I can work without hard work. Sorry, I cannot work without hard work. Here, I means computer. If you want, you can change this I into computer also. Computer cannot work without hard work. Next, I've shown you some designs here. Okay, some designs. This is actually the diagram showing input output designs. Okay, see, name the three types of devices that helps in input, process and output. This is a diagram you should at least the three diagrams, like input, CPU, output, only these boxes you can draw. Okay, any input device, keyboard, mouse, light pen are used in input. Okay, by using these we can make questions, can help processing device, and the printer, projector, speaker are used for output. Okay, the printer, projector means the small picture. If you go to cinema theater, that is a projector work only. The mechanic who is sitting there somewhere in the corner of the room in the upper place, and he will project the picture to a large screen. Okay, so that is also projector. And speaker are used for output. Okay, so input is like using mouse, keyboard and light pen and all, and processor helps in processing your question, and the printer projects the speaker. Okay, output is like printer, projector, speaker. Okay, why is the CPU called the brain of computer? Called, it is called actually, not called. You make ed also with this. Okay, why is the CPU called the brain of the computer? The CPU process data because it only gives you answer whatever the question you ask. Okay, the CPU process data and instruction given by us, so it is called brain of the computer. Whomever gives answer has brain. Okay, next, what are the different types of printers? What are the different types of printers? The different types of printers are dot matrix, inkjet, laser and plotters. Okay, these are all the different types of printers we have. Okay, in this, laser is a high quality printer. Okay, and plotter is used for get a big size prints. Okay, if you want to take prints in big size like banners and maps, we use plotters. Dot matrix is the first very old model of printer, not that much efficient, but but it gives, okay, the print will be like dot dot dot, it will be okay, with the dots only it makes a print. Okay, next, now I'm showing you some pictures of different types of printers. See, this is dot matrix print, okay, printer. This is dot matrix printer. Next, this is inkjet printer. This is inkjet printer. Now this is laser printer. Laser printer. This is plotter. Plotter. Okay. With this machine only we create banners. Okay. Next question. What is the difference between system software and application software? Give an example of each. Okay. You have to differentiate the system software and the application software. Okay. There is two types of software, system and application. Okay. System software is a program that controls operating system, for example, Windows and Unix. System softwares are platforms. Okay, the train cannot run without the platform. The same way, without to run a computer, we need this system software. Okay, we have no work to do with system software. Okay, by default it is present in the system. We don't have any work with this. Our work is with the application software only. We create documents, we create Excel sheets, we create other paint and all, everything with the application software only. Okay, application software or programs that helps the user to perform specific tasks, for example MS Office and MS Paint. Okay, next, system software or program that controls operating system, for example Windows and Unix. I told you in the previous slide, that is, there are two types of softwares. First one is system software. I told you, in that I told you the operating systems are system softwares. Now Windows and Unix is also an example for the system software. I'm showing the logo. Okay, this is for application software. Okay, application software or program that helps the user to perform specific tasks, for example MS Office, MS Paint. With the MS Office you can create document, Excels and many more things also. Okay, you can create a PowerPoint presentations like I did now. Okay, you are seeing the PowerPoint presentations only now. Okay, now that's all for the class. Actually we have gone through the many things in the book back exercises. We have gone through the fill-ups first. Fill-ups like choose the best answer. Next, then I showed you some text and I asked you to guess what peripheral it is. Okay, that is, for example, I showed you some text. I am used to draw directly on the screen. Then I asked you what is that. You said it is paint. That kind of guess my name. Okay. Then we saw some question answers. Okay. We have seen two or three question answers. You might feel it is big or heavy, but don't think. If you write at least the right content will be good. To explain you in that sake, I have added more text on that. If you want to cut short and make it. Okay. Thank you kids. Bye. We'll meet in next class.